Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the bundle discounts function in the Vinted app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Vinted app. Here it opens up in the home menu. Here we can see articles that are on a sale. But we have to go into the profile menu. We tap on the profile, and here at the top you can see bundle discounts. We have to tap on this button, and here we can turn it on. It's especially useful for sellers that you use this application, because then they can give discounts to people that buy from them, and thereby ensure that these people will return to their shop. Here you can select the number of items that are in the bundle discount, and then get the money, get the cash. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.